Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to go over the Caretaker pressure relief valve, what it does and where it goes and how it's installed. So ultimately, this guy is a fail-safe in case your Caretaker valve, what they say called deadheads. So if the water pistons on the bottom, if they kind of go bad, sometimes they'll stick to the bottom of the valve and then create almost like a dead water zone to where water cannot pass through. And so what this does, it actually opens up and allows the water to pass through, so it kind of creates a fail-safe so you don't actually blow something up in your system. Because a lot of these pumps out there, like the 2 horsepower, the 3 horsepowers, they got a lot of pressure behind them. So the water's got to go somewhere or something will go kaboom. So ultimately, this thing's kind of cool. I mean, it's a good little fail-safe. If you have an older valve, it's probably going to happen once. It'll open up and then stay open. It's very, very common for these springs to kind of get old, rusty, whatever over time. If you have a newer valve, it'll open and close a couple times, but if you have an older one that goes bad, even if you replace your valve after it's bad, you're still probably gonna get flow through it. It's time to cut it out and replace it. So ultimately what it is 1.5" slip on the insides of this, so it has to be glued into your system. It doesn't just thread in. The direction that it goes is, as you can see here, the valve kind of tapers down here at the bottom. That's the direction of the flow. It's like a giant arrow. So the flow has to go that way. So where the taper is, that's where the water comes in from the top and out through the bottom. And the way this works, it's always installed before the Caretaker valve. So if you have your Caretaker valve like this, and say the water's coming this way down to your Caretaker valve, you want to create this zone right here before the valve. So that way, if this thing deadheads, if the port's open to actually allow water to come out. And water, most of the time, plumbers either install it with your pool returns, those 3 little eyeballs on the side of your pool, or what they do is they actually tie this to like a port underneath of the valve, so that way, say one zone of your heads will just be stuck up the entire time and not go down. So one way or another, they're bypassing the water so that way water can go somewhere. But these are cool. I mean, it's a good system, it works. And they work on both the 2-inch valve and the 1.5" valve. They're required for a proper installation from the manufacturer. So yeah, this is the Caretaker pressure relief valve. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.